Hey everybody, welcome to Apex Syndicates. All right, I am here again to talk to you guys about, seriously, probably one of the best narratives in a movement coin, a make you feel good coin, a crypto that actually inspires you. I want to give you some comparisons on a few other projects, where I think that this project can go and why I'm extremely bullish on it. So what am I talking about? Well, I'm talking about pre-rich. All right, I made a video on this the other day, and we all can agree the markets are down, the markets are crap. There's a lot of depression. There's a lot of people kind of just, I'm done. Crypto, I missed it. I missed my opportunities. And there's a bit of, there's fear, right? There's the fear and greed index. And right now we are in extreme fear. So what I like about pre-rich is that this is a movement coin. It's like DOWGE. It's like SPX6900. It has that kind of, putting the power in the hands of the people feel to it. But what I like about pre-rich is the market cap, where it's at, and the potential, because I believe this is tapping into a really big market and a big narrative. Okay. Like I said, I want to just show you really quick the charts. Okay. I'm going to show you the charts on pre-rich, on SPX6900, and on DOWGE. Okay. And like I said, they're different. Like I said, DOWGE and SPX6900, they're more about flipping the stock market type of feel. But pre-rich taps into that same narrative about, power of the hands of the people, becoming wealthy. And right now, this is an incredible opportunity. Okay, we're at about a 500K market cap. It had its initial pump. It ran all the way up here to like what, it had a spike all the way to 2.2 million. Basically came back down to 1.39. Traded sideways at about 800 to 900K for over a week. And then you see some people here. This was one guy that bought in back over here, almost 28K, this big sell right here. And you can check the records. I looked at it. So definitely this wasn't a team or anything like that on this one big sell here. But it looks like to me it's finding a really good floor right around this 500K market cap. Okay, so that's important. That's why I think this is an incredible entry, a great opportunity to get into this. Now, why do I think that this is like a 100x project? I really do believe that pre-rich is a 100x project, because I'm going to just show you some charts of some other coins. Okay, I want to show you here. This is SPX6900. Okay, it ran all the way up to a $2 billion market cap. All right. Now, I'm not saying that pre-rich is going to go to a $2 billion market cap. Don't call me John's a moon boy. I'm just saying the narrative is here. I'm going to show you the websites too, their X accounts and the websites in just a second. But I wanted to just give you this feel of these coins. Okay. Now, this is DOWGE. Okay. Once again, it ran all the way up here to peak was around $87 million. And of course, right now it's at a $3.4 million market cap. But once again, huge narrative. Okay. Now I want to show you their websites. Okay. And their X accounts. I want to show you, just take a quick look here. So this is SPX6900 website. Does this make you feel good? Does it make you feel anything? I'm just being real. I'm being honest. And I'm not trying to, diss SPX6900 or talk bad about it, but I mean, it's fine. But does this make you feel good? Are you inspired? Do you feel good when you see this? Does this make you feel rich? Does it make you feel like, man, I want to buy this? This is something that really makes me feel good. I'm going to say no. It does nothing for me. Okay. Now let's go over here to DOWGE. Once again, I mean, does this make you feel good? I mean, I think this is way better than SPX6900 as far as, cool graphics, cool, but does it make you feel good? Does it make you feel rich? Does it inspire you to buy? When you look at this website, are you inspired to buy? Okay. I'm going to say no. Okay. I want to go over here to the DOWGE X account. Okay. SPX6900 doesn't even have an X account. Okay. But once again, let's just look here. Does anything here, does this make you feel good? Is there an inspiration of, wow, I want to be a part of this movement. I want to put my money here. This makes me feel Awesome. Does that, I'm asking you a question. You can leave some comments below. Let me know. For me, short answer is no, it does not. Okay. Now I want to go back over here to pre-rich. Now I want to show you the pre-rich X account. Okay. I want you to take a look at this. And I want to say, when you look at this, does this make you feel good? Okay. Now, when you start to look, I want to go down here, like these are the kind of things that they're putting out. Money doesn't buy happiness. My honest reaction. I watch this, I feel good. I feel good. Like, it's fun. Okay. I come on down here, and like I said, I look at their images, I look at their clips, I look at the videos and the things that they're creating. Look at this. Does that make you feel good? I watch as I come over here and I'm looking at their X constantly. I'm retweeting and sharing their posts. Okay. I am sitting here and I look at this stuff. It literally, it gives me chills. It gives me goosebumps. Like I look at here, I come to the pre-rich, X account, and it gives me goosebumps. It gives me chills. Okay. I don't get that from DOWGE. I don't get that from SPX6900. And I don't get this feeling from any other crypto project out there. Trust me, I look all the time at crypto projects. All right. There's nothing that gives me goosebumps. There's nothing that makes me, oh, that is the life I want. What inspires you, right? What inspires you? And you can look here at the engagements and the reposts. It's fantastic. Okay. Basically, they're getting great engagements, great reposts because people like the content. They like the videos. They like the clips. 21 reshares. Okay. I mean, look at this one. I mean, so for me, pre-rich taps into this narrative. It's a feel good community. And that's why I said, me personally, I think that pre-rich can absolutely dominate the space because it makes you feel good. Show me another crypto project right now that makes you feel good. None of them do, right? I mean, does Solana make you feel good? Does Bitcoin make you feel good? Does Ethereum make you feel good? Does SPX6900 make you feel good? Does DOWGE make you feel good? Do any of them make you feel good other than, man, it's down and it sucks and the markets are terrible right now? I'm asking you an honest question. Leave some comments below and let me know. I look at pre-rich. Yes, the markets are down. This makes me feel good. I want to buy it. Just because I watch the videos, I see everything. I'm like, I want to be a part of this. That's the bottom line. That's all. It's touching my heart, my soul, something in me. It makes me feel good. It lights something in me. Okay. And that's why I say this is a movement coin. Okay. It's tapping into that narrative of like the SPX6900 was a movement coin. DOWGE is a movement coin. Pre-rich is a movement coin. Now, if you have a movement, what is going to succeed? Something that makes you feel good. This makes me feel good. Okay. That's why when I look at this at a $500 million or a $500,000 market cap, like I said, 1,000x would be a $500 million market cap. That's 1,000x from where we are right now. $500 million market cap. It's in the realm of possibility. I mean, if I look at DOWGE and I look at, SPX6900, I mean, this has that potential. But even just a 100x is a $50 million market cap. 50 million, that's 100x from here. So like I said, for me, this reaching a $50 million market cap, 100x from here is totally possible because this actually makes me feel good. It makes me feel something, and DOWGE doesn't. It went to an $80 million market cap. This could easily go to $50 million. That's 100x from here. That's $1,000 to $100,000. Okay. That's what we're talking about. Now, even if this just did a 20x or a 25x, I mean, imagine $1,000 to $25,000. And my God, that is so in the realm of possibility. A 25x. A 25x from here is only $12.5 million. I think that's absolute FUD. I really think that that is complete FUD. You know, so a 50x is a $25 million market cap. Tell me that this can't go to a $25 million market. That's 50xing your money. That's $1,000 to $50,000. If you get in early, you hold, and you become a part of the community. Don't be some lazy investor that just, you know, buys a coin and being a moon boy, it's just going to go up on its own. The reason that these coins perform well is because they have strong communities. You need to be reposting. You need to be helping raid. You know, share the post. Talk about this in other Telegram chats or Discords that you're in. Talk about Pre-Rich. Share the video clips. Oh my God, like check out these videos. That's what you do. You need to be a brand ambassador. You need to help grow the community. And if you do that, there is no reason that Pre-Rich can't go into the hundreds of millions of dollars in market cap. But that's up to you. That's up to the individual. That's up to the person. Are you willing to hold? Are you willing to put in a little bit of effort? Are you willing to help this community grow? Spread the word, spread the good vibes, spread the feeling of being pre-rich. That's what I'm talking about. And that's when I look at this project, I see that potential. So like I said, I'd love to hear your thoughts on pre-rich in the comments below. But for me, this is an easy 50x, 100x, maybe even more because of the narrative. Like I said, I've been in crypto a long time, and I have never seen a crypto project that gives me goosebumps. I haven't. I've never seen a crypto project that makes me feel good. I've never seen a project like Pre-Rich. And I think that you can tap into these narratives, and I think you can, once, yes, the markets are down, but once the markets start to move up and we've built a strong community here, Pre-Rich could absolutely melt faces. So get in early, check it out, do your own research, do your own due diligence. This is not financial advice. I'm just telling you what I see, what I feel, what I think, and what I'm investing in. And for me, Pre-Rich is an amazing opportunity, especially at these market levels. So everybody, I hope you have a great day. Check out Pre-Rich, making sure you like and subscribe to my channels, follow me on X, join my free Telegram chat. And if you really want to take it to that next level, check out my VIP Telegram chat via the Patreon link in the description below. Amazing opportunities over there. So have a good day, everybody. Pick up some Pre-Rich, and I'm pretty sure we'll see you on the moon. Take care, everybody.